You'll see the difference now. If we change it, you'll know how. Nothing ever stays the same.
Hello beauties, welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. Into today's video is quite a regular set, but it's summer, so we're using very bright colors. Even though I use these colors right throughout the year, but yeah, it's different. Anyways, so I'm going in with four different colors for today's video, like my designer ombre French nail. I'm doing the same method where I'm going with the four colors before I go ahead and apply my smile line. So the reason why I do this is because it accommodates more colors on the nail, so that's why I do it. So after doing that, I will then repeat the same method on the other nail. So with the other nail now, I was trying to get each color their light. So as you guys, or you may realize that the very first thing that I went in with was green, and when I went in with the green and then the yellow and then the orange and the red, it kind of took away from the green. So I decided to do it the opposite way around. So I went in with the red, orange, yellow, and then the green. And I mean, it looks so similar to the other one, but I don't know, I just wanted the green to pop a little bit more. And then again, the reason why these colors don't blend as well is because they're very pigmented and somewhat heavy. So if you want your colors to blend properly, I suggest using pastel colors. They tend to blend a little bit better than, harsher colors. So if this is your very first time here on my channel, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment down below, follow me on all my socials. That's Instagram and TikTok at Bare Beauty Services. So I'm going in with the smile line. I said I've explained this in a bunch of other videos that I did, but I want to explain it a little bit more in depth in how I get my that perfect smile line going. That video will be coming very shortly. Hopefully I can, a short quick video just explaining the reasons or my technique on how to, get that perfect smile line. It may work for some people, it may not work for some persons. Just a disclaimer, I'm just putting it out there. Not this method don't mean that it works for you or anybody else. It may work for some people but not all people. So don't fix your mind to believe that it may get your smile line looking better, but practice does become permanent or perfect. So I'll go ahead and do the same thing on each of these nails. And after doing that, we'll go in with our e-file. Before going into our e-file, we're going in with our emery board to straighten up each of these smile lines. And after doing so, I mean, this was a quick and easy nail set. Very simple, very simple. Easy, simple. Yeah, we'll just leave it at that. Look at my smile line, sis. You want yours looking like that? And so you subscribe to my channel because I'll be having a video coming soon describing, going in depth about how I got my smile line to be looking the way that it does. So after that, we're going to go in with our emery board and to straighten up the smile line area. I'm really proud of my work. Can I tell you this? I'm really proud of my smile line. Every time I do a smile line, it's just breathtaking. I know I'm exaggerating, I'm a little extra, but I have to. Like, I have to. If you look back on other videos, you will notice it. I'm just really proud of my smile line these days. If you genuinely want to see a video of me explaining in depth, I think I'm going to use a mannequin or somebody who don't have an idea of how to do a proper smile line, and let us see how that goes. Hopefully it can help a lot of you guys. But yeah, look at that though. If you want that, let me know, sis. Let me know. Let me know. So after I'm done with that, then I'll go in. So this is the thing. I was battling with this here. I wanted some blue, but I don't know. Honestly, I wanted some blue on the nails, and then I remember that I had some blue foil. So I went ahead and add the blue from Anself around the smile line area to give it a little bit more depth in the nail, because I like when my smile line have depth. Like, it gives a nail a whole different vibe. So I add that to the around the smile line area. I'll cure that for 30 seconds. I flash cure that for 30 seconds. I think I went around the smile line twice just to intensify the color, and I'll cure for 30 seconds each. After doing that, I was then going with my foil and add it all over the nail. So this foil has two colors, a gold and a blue, and I thought it gave, you know, a whole different vibe. Somewhat when I was doing the process, I thought about I should have just left the nail without the foil, but you know, because my extra, my have to go in, I have to go in with the foil, and I mean, it kind of grown me. I love the nails. I love the turnout. I love the results of each of these nails. This was a bomb set. Okay, okay, okay. So now we're going in to encapsulate each of these nails. I didn't show much of this because it's a repetitive motion. I don't want to bore you guys, so I'll go ahead and show 1.5. You know, the nails are showing me how I encapsulate the nails, even though you guys see me do it 1,001 time, but this is for the new viewers. Okay, watch me encapsulate my nails. But anyways, after I'm through with that, then I'm going in with my e-file, and then after that we're going with our, no, I keep on mixing it up. I go in with my emery board first, and after I'm through with the emery board, I was then going with my e-file to just do the proper deep bulking, just removing everything, ensuring that the nail is smooth, because this is like the final, you know, final of just filing the nails and whatnot. And after that, I will then use my buffing block to smooth out the nails, wash my hands, and then we will top coat. Okay, after we top coat, we will cure for 60 seconds. Oil my cuticles. Sis, the nails are bomb. If you like these nails, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Tap the bell so you get notified each and every time I upload, because I upload twice a week. Every week I'm trying to get back on my schedule. And also follow me on my socials, that's Instagram and TikTok, at Bare Beauty Services, and I'll see you guys in the next video.